Howdy folks, it's your boy Trash Man down here in the trash dungeon, getting ready to dispel some myths. A couple folks on a local Tidal fishing forum have accused the old Trash Man here of being a construct of artificial intelligence. Well folks, it's not the case. I'm a real flesh and blood human being. I'm a denizen of the 495 adjacent area. Have a couple houses, a couple different shooting locations, and I think a lot of the time stuff will shift. Like I'll go out, I'll catch some fish, I'll come back, I'll have a stainless steel sink. I'll go out, I'll come back, all of a sudden I have a white powder coated sink. Well, my family has a beach house on the Delmarva Atlantic coast. My wife and I have two separate houses that we move back and forth between. There's a townhouse in Reston, Virginia, which is where you may have seen the white powder coated sink. And so oftentimes I'll fish here and then I'll clean fish over there, or I'll fish there and clean them back here. Or you see a lot of stuff at the beach house and we'll catch a bunch of fish there and we'll bring them back here. So look for those things in the video. And what I'm going to do, because there's a point to this video besides just dispelling these horrible AI myths, and that is to go through kind of like a remember those old episodes of Golden Girls where they would show a bunch of clips from previous shows? Well, most of these will be clips from fishing that I've done between Memorial Day and now. I'll do a lot of like skate catching videos. I'll level with you. You know, if I had my way, I would be the next Ernie the Hog Snatcher, only instead of blue catfish, it would be clear nose skates. I freaking love clear nose skates. I've eaten probably 20 pounds of skate meat already this summer. So let's do like a little bit of a montage in honor of clear nose skates, and then I'm going to show you my latest skate recipe and how I make it. It is delicious. It is 0% carbohydrates, 100% keto diet friendly. It is my magnum opus, buffalo skate wings. Cheers.
Thank you for fishing, my man. Coming down the road and back again. Your heart is true, you're a pal and a confidant. And if I threw a party, fishing party, and invited everyone I knew, you would see the biggest gift would be from me, and the card attached would say, thank you for fishing, my man. Do 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 do. Ooh. Oh yeah. All right. Let's make some buffalo skate wings. And look at me. I have a crinkfish mustache, and I'm not AI at all.
All right, today is a sad day because it's my last pack of skate wings. I've got my last little bit of Frank Red Hot, but I've got a ton of Kerrygold butter. This is just the last of one stick, but I got a couple big bricks in there. So a lot of people talking about AI. This is my Silver Spring house. You can see this pattern granite. You can see this white faucet. You can see this big giant cutting board that covers the sink. This is one of the three houses, and when I'm here in Silver Spring, this is what the kitchen looks like. Sometimes in Virginia, you get the Virginia kitchen. Sometimes at the beach, you get the beach kitchen. I might be hanging out at Easton this weekend, so you might be seeing the in-laws kitchen in Easton. But I'm constantly killing fish everywhere I go, freezing their carcasses, cooking and eating those carcasses in various locations, but not AI. I'm a real person. All right, everything is patted dry. Our skillet is starting to heat up. We're going to take this butter right here. We're going to drop it in there. The secret, or really well-known ingredient to all great buffalo sauce is the butter. Irish, good old Kerrygold Irish butter is the best butter. If there's a butter I don't know about, let me know in the comments. But this stuff, ridiculously overpriced. It's one of the few things I splurge on. But I buy a giant gold brick of this every time I go to Costco. It is freaking awesome. All right. Let that sizzle up. It's going to start to get a little brown. We don't need to wait. We're just going to put our wings right here in the skillet. Oh yeah. And we're not going to season these with anything other than buffalo sauce. Now, if these were chicken wings, I might use some kind of a peanut oil or seed oil and deep fry them, get them nice and crispy. But these are guys who are just going to saute like this on pretty high heat butter. It onto this plate. All right. And then the next step is we still got a little bit of melted butter in the skillet that didn't burn off or stick to the fish. We're going to put all this Frank Red Hot in there. We are going to turn the heat back up. We're going to take another chunk of Kerrygold. And we are gonna mix it up. Turn the heat down a little bit. You don't want to boil all your liquid in your hot sauce away. Oh yeah, look at that. Good buffalo sauce is orange, not red. Alright. I'm going to take this. And we're going to coat our fish in it. Oh, hell yeah. And that is coated. That is buffalo skate. That is what a artificial intelligence eats for dinner on a weekday night after work. Oh yeah. Oh my god, it's so good. Guys. Hey Rachel and Jackson.
Yeah.
So all these guys on the internet think that I'm an AI because of the videos that we posted. How do we prove to people online that we're real people, that we're not AI?
I was just wearing toy glasses.
Exactly. AIs don't do that. What else, Rachel?
The only reason you think it's AI is because you took the photo and put it through an AI generator. Our YouTube channel is real. You probably only think that because the thing we did for the YouTube video that one time.
You talking about the thumbnail image from ChatGPT?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, we've done that on the past 3 videos. We had an AI thumbnail video. Also, AIs can't eat apples. Right?
Yeah, this is how it's
AIs can only create weird stuff like Twinkies.
I am an AI. And also, it keeps changing. We don't have like that much cutscenes and stuff.
Here, take a realistic bite of an apple. Yeah. Yep. AI can't eat an apple like that.
I am not a robot. I am a human. Thanks for watching.